Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. This is my reporting is about differentiate product line and product mix. So, what is a product line? A product line is a group of similar product manufactured and sold by the companies. Many larger and more established companies have multiple product has because of their financial capability and an understanding of customer needs, while never companies tend to have favor. So it's mean uh, ibig sabihin ang kung ano ang product line, ito yung product line na similar product na galing sa isang kumpanya na sila mismo yung nagbibenta sa kanilang product. That is means product line. And, isang kumpanya na malaking kumpanya, sila mismo yung gumagawa ng kanilang product. Number two, the product mix consists of every product. So a business develop and sells within a product mix. There are four dimension: wide, length, deep, and consistency. There is a brief description of each dimension. So ang tinatawag na product mix, ito yung mga product na naghahalo na ng mga product so isang business nga develop galing sa sila yung ang mga product na binibenta ng isang business. So mayroong mga dimension na mahaba at wide, length, deep, and consistency. Yan yung mga description of dimension ng product mix. So maraming mga product na naghahalo-halo na.